Hello and welcome back to our final video in chapter 8, and in this video we are going to be adding sound. So just like with videos, sound comes in different formats as well. HTML5 is able to accommodate that provided we can put some code in. So let me show you how we insert sound into a web page. The first thing that we need to do is go and choose a different web page, and this is going to be sound HTML. So let's double click on that. And what we're going to do, we're going to be putting in our sound into these cells here. So we're going to start with this one. We're going to go into the split view, and you can see our cursor is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight this because I don't want it, and I'm going to get rid of that. Now the next thing is to do it in exactly the same way as we did for videos. So there's nothing new. All we're going to do is simply start with a less than sign. We're going to type in video, double click, space and source, double click and press return. And just to make sure that you know where all of this is, if I go into desktop and go to Dreamweaver, and then in chapter 8 we look for assets, we're looking for, in this case, audio assets, and we're going to be putting in these three here. So let's start with train pass 1, and we're going to go, and before we choose open, we need to choose parameters, because what we want to avoid is the sound starting as soon as we open up the web page, and we want to be able to turn the sound off when we want. So we're going to go to parameters, and what you put in here is autoplay. Make sure it's all joined together and make that false and click OK. We want to choose train pass 1 again and click open. So what we've got down here, we've got the path, we've got the type, we've put in a parameter where we're saying it's false, and then we're simply going to go and put in some dimensions so we can see this. So space, and the width is going to be, in this case, 100, and the height is going to only be 10. I still put in controls, and I close off the controls, and I'm going to now close off the video tag. So I open / and we have that there. Up to refresh. Let's go into design view. Let's go file and preview in browser. We use Safari. And you'll see that it's not starting until we press. And pause. Right, let's come out of that and let's go into our second one. Go into split, and what we'll do is we'll find this a bit easier because we're just going to highlight and take off. And the quick way I'm going to do it is I'm going to take this information from the video up to video source. So that bit there, I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to go paste. Okay, just to remind you where we have everything. So if I just go into here and go into assets and audio assets, we've got train pass 2, train pass 3, and they're all in the same place. So the reason why I've gone and copied and pasted everything is because I don't have to type it all in, and I can put train pass 2 in here. And then what I'll do, I'll go and click in here, and I'm going to go and take off this, and I'm going to do Command V, and I'm going to replace that with pass 3. So, refresh, design, file, save all, file, preview in browser, and let's see how this works. So this was train pass 1. Here is train pass 2. And here is train pass 3. So that's how easy it is to put in sound as well. So have some fun doing that, and I will see you in chapter 9. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.